Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Ada, and today we are going to be doing an extreme clean with me video and kind of a declutter video. If this looks like what you like watching on YouTube, then this is the channel for you. Do go ahead and sit back and relax and of course watch. So this was how my house was looking before I started up the cleaning, so I decided to show you guys how the house was looking. It was a real hot mess, you guys. It was a hot mess. So this is it, and we are going to start cleaning up this mess as soon as possible. And hey, if you're new here to my channel, you're hearing me or seeing me for the first time, you're welcome to my channel. Do go ahead and click on that subscribe button and click on the notification bell as well if you feel like you like my channel, and hopefully you do like my channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always tuning back in. So let's just get this started. Well, of course, no, we don't waste time here. Let's get started. So yeah, of course, I start off by cleaning up the living room. I just do whatever I can. I just start wherever I feel like I can, you know, just start from somewhere. It's always so tiring when you get up and you see your house in a mess, but then just start from somewhere. I don't know, do whatever, just start from somewhere. You will definitely start feeling the vibe. Okay, so yeah, let's get started. So you guys, have been trying to stay consistent on YouTube. Like I am struggling to stay consistent. I'm trying, I'm really trying, and I hope I keep staying consistent, because I think I started being more consistent from last month or so. So I am like kind of back, and I'll be more consistent, so help me God. So yeah, this YouTube journey, it's not easy at all, like honestly. Even though I know the days I used to feel like giving up, but now I don't really feel, I don't like feel that way anymore. I don't really get, I mean, it can be tiring, it can be, you know, it can be tiring, but then no, I don't feel that way anymore. I just, whenever I feel like I'm reaching that burnout stage, I just take a break and, you know, come back again. So I don't just reach that burnout stage where I just want to abandon everything and just leave. So that's what I basically do. So if you're a YouTuber, of course you already know how difficult it is, so just hang in there, hang in there. We are getting there, okay? We are all getting there. And being a mom of 3 and also trying to do this YouTube thing, you can imagine how stressful that is. Having 3 kids alone is one hell of a business. That is a job. So this one too, that's another one. So but yeah, I am hanging in there, and hopefully my channel gets to start gaining some weight, because I'm still looking, I'm still watching. Okay. So mom's in the house. Am I the only one who always has a sink full of plates, like full of dishes? All the whole place is just so filled up. Like, look at that. The whole place is filled up, and I hate using the dishwasher. I don't like using dishwasher. Okay, of course I am Nigerian, and man, honestly, this dishwasher thing, it's not going to wash my plates, my pans, my pots properly the way I would wash it by hand. So I just prefer washing by hand. And I'm thinking of something else to do. Like, I keep having loads of dishes in the sink like that. But yeah, recently I started like trying my best to wash up, even if it's just one cup in there. I just try to wash it up immediately so it doesn't keep piling up on there. So that's what I do now. So yeah, if you've gotten to this part and you're still watching, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please check that button. While if it's still red, then it means you're not subscribed to my channel. Please do go ahead and support me by subscribing to my channel and clicking on the notification bell so you know when next I upload a new video and you don't miss out on that. Yeah, and of course, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Go ahead and leave your comments in the comment section. Tell me your favorite part about this video. Leave a comment in the comment section. Like this video, of course, that is a thumbs up. Share this video to your friends and family. Don't be stingy. Go ahead and share this video. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this cleaning section as this video is coming to an end. I hope you guys enjoy. I don't know what I'm trying to sing right now, but I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Yeah, I'm getting this done. I'm getting it done like a boss. Okay, I'm cleaning up. I'm getting it done like a boss. So get up and do the same thing. I'm giving you the motivation you need right now. Get up and do the same thing. Start cleaning up. I know you're looking at that house and the house is looking at you like, come on sis, get up. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please remember to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to share and like this video. Leave a comment down in the comment section, and also if you have any video requests, please do go ahead and leave that in the comment section, and I'll definitely, let's all meet in the comment section. Okay, thank you so much guys for your support, and thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.